Hello guys, today I'm working on my project. After installing Vim, I start facing some problem. If I press Ctrl and A, it not select all my text. If I try to press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, which is copy and paste, also it is not working. So I just went to Google and try to find a problem. And here I got here they are saying you have to change Vim setting in vim.handle keys file, which is JSON file. So you have to go to your vscode editor setting, and here you have to type vim.handle keys JSON editing JSON setting. Here you have to change basic setting. By default their value is set it to true, so here you have to set the value to for false. So here you can set your custom setting. So I would like to after like pressing Ctrl and it will select all my text, so I just set it to, and also I like to Ctrl C to copy my text and Ctrl V to paste my text. Uh, so after, if I press Ctrl A, it select all my text, and if I press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, it paste my text. So that's it. You have to just go to your Vim settings, and you have to search vim.handle key, and here you got your file, and you have to change whichever your customized settings you want to change. Uh, Here is a file, they are provide a GitHub link. Here is if you want I will provide link in description. That's it. Thank you for watching.